This 2024 Forest River Flagstaff E-Pro 20FKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 21 feet 2 inches in length and features oven, water heater, microwave, awning, air conditioning, external shower, refrigerator, LP detector, TV, smoke detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Flagstaff E-Pro 20FKS is 3,971 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.